Yo, what's good, everybody? DrewCharts here. Live trading session. It's 9:13 a.m. We got 15 minutes before market open. So let's look at the charts. Let's see what we got cooking up. First, we're going to make sure all of our accounts are connected. Our groups are connected. Bam, those are good. Those are good. Let's make sure they're all on. Good. Good. All right. Accounts are connected. So I will explain again what is going on. Two 150K lucid evals. That is my trading view. Okay? All good. Now I have two Apex evaluations that are Tradeovate. They are all linked to this though. So I'm gonna execute on here, and it's gonna copy to 2 accounts, 3 accounts total. Those are all funded, so I make money from those. And then 3 accounts here. 1 is funded, 2 are evals. Let's see what we looking like anyway. Hit stop loss on that trade, minus 156 for the day, but we straight. Funded, boom, boom. That's okay. It happens. I liked what I saw. I got in. It didn't go my way. That's alright. It was only $150 risk. We got $300 risk total, so we will take one more trade. I like this buy because hold on, let's add another copy trade. Let's add another chart. Let's make it a NASDAQ MNQ. We're just gonna make it at a 1 minute, okay? Let's do a 3 minute actually. Let's get that line out of here. We're in a vicious uptrend right now. Like, everything is very high. A lot of buying pressure. Like, there's not many sells going on right now. They're very minimal. I had to sell down. I was up $160, but my take profit was down here at 25,900. Hold on, let me start from the beginning. Start from the top. Boom. This chart we want to keep at 15 minutes. This one we'll keep it a minute. No, I still believe in the sell here. Like, Let's blow this chart up and see, like, so much pressure to the, like, bro, we can't go up forever. We gotta come create a fucking higher low some point. Shit. If we don't break above this, let's make this red. If we don't break above this red line, then we're gonna sell. But the thing that has me questioning is this higher low right here. Let's draw this. We got 1, 2. So like that's showing you that buyers are they're in control. Like if you look at the whole chart, like if we go to the freaking hourly, we've just been on a vicious uptrend. Like just every candle's damn near buy candle. This kind of market is you just press the buy button, you come back to the screen, and you either hit take profit or you're in massive profit. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what Trump said, but this is beyond me. If this next hour candle closes at 10 o'clock and it's above these, we're just going to continue the vicious uptrend and break this red line and continue to the upside. We gotta check. We have a trend line we can utilize on the minute right here. As long as we stay above that, we can look for buying opportunities. Let's change this 30-minute chart to a 15-minute chart. Yeah, we got that higher low, so we tried to break below. We couldn't. We created a higher low, so this buyers just gonna buy. Market open, push up. That's what it's looking like. I'll wait for a little bit after to get in any trades because market open be so vicious. And like if you're on the right side of it, cool, you make your money very quick. But if you're on the wrong side, you get obliterated. Have you questioning your whole existence? YM. Let's look at YM 4 hour. Man. We're above the MAs. So that is telling you that buyers are in control. The buying pressure is very strong. So do not try to sell in a market like this. Look at all the green candles. Look how much volume they have compared to the purple candles. Like It's a no-brainer. Just click the buy button. If you sell, you're gonna get smoked like a hookah. You know, people that smoke hookah, they just keep on smoke. You just keep on smoking it. It's gonna be you if you try to sell. Keep on getting smoked. High or low created above the MAs. Maybe we get a push down to come touch the MA for market open in 6 minutes, but look for opportunities to buy. That's all I can say. That is all I can say to you, ladies and gentlemen. Look for opportunities to buy. Aaliyah even knows it. She even knows that she needs to be buying, and if she don't, she's gonna get smoked. She even said it. She was like, if I sell, I'm probably gonna get smoked, right? I said, you know it. Right, babe?
Oh, yeah.
See? The goal, if I could find a good opportunity today on the 150Ks, I'm looking, I have a profit goal of 4K, but that's only if the market is giving that. I'm gonna take what the market gives me, but I'm not gonna try to force a $4,000 profit. But the way the market's been moving, it's like, how not? It's a place to trade, you know. And look at that fucking buy. Look at that shit. We were just talking about that. Like, we got the higher lows created, and then market explodes to the upside. Like, it's a no-brainer. It's really like just follow structure. Place trades in accordance with what you were taught, and just let the money make itself. Let the money print itself. Jeez, very strong. Oh, man, I would love to buy, but market open is a different beast. Like, you could be up very well, and if you have the trade just chilling, you will get smoked on market open. It could push down, wick you out, and then continue. Like, let's look at gold. What is gold doing? Oh, we're at the EMAs on gold. We could potentially get one more leg down. Like, the reason I don't like gold for a buy right now is because a double bottom wasn't created. I would prefer to see something like this. You know, something like that. That would be cool. Meat, like chorizo, like, yeah, one of them ones. And then on the 5 and the 15 were under that maze, so I definitely would like to see one more push down. Market open in 3 minutes. 3 of them. You dunno. You dunno. Oh, well, let's see if we have any news today. Do we have any news? No nusi. Thank you. Market open in 1 minute. Let's see how this reacts. Pushed it upside off, rip on US 30. Maybe we get pushed down. Oh, pushed down. Ooh, wee. Open another screen to my screen to the right. Y'all don't see this screen, but I do. Gonna keep both open just so we can, you know, see everything that's going on. US 30 right to the upside. Pushing, we're at 48,900 on US 30. Man, this would be potentially a good place to buy the NASDAQ because, I don't know, we're just gonna push up anyway, right? So we're got maybe a tester position, maybe a little $1,000, maybe one contract. Got the 30-minute pushing up. Got the 3-minute. Stay on the 5. Let's get on the 1 minute. Cause why not? Man, I don't know. I really want to sell so bad. Because we've been pushing up for so long. Like, at some point, you gotta make a fucking higher low to continue up. Like, we have to come down. We have to come down. And look, we're at a level of resistance. Look how strong this oh, wait, you can't see that screen. We're at a level of resistance on the 4 hour. Look at this level of resistance. Like, something's gotta give. Look at this shit. Look how fucking strong this shit is. If we push above this and keep going to 49,800, it's just like they injected the market with some sort of, I don't know, steroids. Because look at this shit. So on the lower time frames, I'm looking for a break of structure to catch the down move. We are showing a little bit of exhaustion on the 4 hour. So, like, I want to see, this is what I want to see. But after this push down, I also want to see a lower high and then continue down like that. This is a start, okay? This is definitely a start. I like that. I like that. I love that shit. This is a start. Now we need to see a lower high. Pushed up more with NASDAQ. I'm gonna wait with NASDAQ, okay? I'm not gonna. Maybe we wait till like 9:45, 10 o'clock to really see what's going on, you know? Like really see what's going on. Like really understand what's going on. Aaliyah said she had enough. Really understand what's going on. So. She looking over here like, what is it? What's wrong with him? What's wrong with these guys? I could potentially sell here just because the risk to reward would be good, and if I got stopped out, but like the risk to reward like a 1 to 6. But I need to see a lower high. I'm not gonna get in without seeing a lower high. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna press the sell button. Low $100 risk. Take risk off the table. Alright, stopped out. $10. How the fuck? How my stop loss and profit $10? I got 2 of them bitches. Like, what? The spread is like, what? About to hit it again. You know what? Let's wait for a 15-minute engulfing because it would just be ideal. If we can close below, oh, you guys can't see that screen either. If we can close below this red line, I'm going to make red. Now let's make it yellow so you guys can see. I know you're blind. If we can close this yellow, below this yellow line, that would be ideal. But see, we're already pushing up. Like, I'm really anticipating a sell that might never come. Might be looking at the wrong side of things. Like, yeah, I want the sell, but like, is the sell presenting itself? No, obviously not. Because it's not going down, it's going up. But as long as if we stay below this box, like, we could create a lower high and sell to the downside. Like, now if we break above it, we could still potentially sell. We have to break above it clean. No half-ass shit, you know? Like, it looks like a lower high is being made. We'd have to break above it clean and boom. Continue to the upside. I don't know, man. This sell. Lower high. Look at that. Look at that lower high creating. That sell might look good for the NASDAQ too. Like, you really know what I'm saying, son. Having a hard time breaking above this red line right there. Patience pays in this game, ladies and gentlemen. We got to be very patient because we are not getting smoked, alright? We are not getting smoked, plain and simple. We wait for the data we need to be able to execute a winning trade, alright? the SPX is flying. I like that 30-minute engulfing to the upside on gold. But after an engulfing, a lot of times a higher low is created and it doesn't usually just fly straight up. So with that in mind, and we have the V right here, one more higher low before continuing to the upside for me on gold. If that's the play, then that's what it is. Yes. Need a purple candle. If the next couple of purple candles, like if the next two candles are purple and can finish below here and here, I'll get in for the sell. But also what has to align is a higher time frame, like a 15 or 30 minute pattern, like maybe a doji, and then the next candle purple to finish below the yellow line is what I'm looking for. Let's get paid today. $400 on the funded accounts. Let's see what's up with it today. Damn! The NASDAQ, man. Pre-market, I said buys off of this higher low. And sure enough, we got the momentum we needed to break that red line. I wouldn't say I missed a trade because I didn't want to enter pre-market because it's so crazy. But if an opportunity presents itself to re-enter for the buy, like if we come back down here and create another higher low, I'll see what's up. But until then, I'll sit on my hands. Sit on my hands. Somebody in the chat said it must stink. Your hands must stink if you sit on them. Haha, funny guy. Look at that. That's beautiful. But be mindful that a higher low could create right here and just continue to the upside. So don't just hop in stuff because it looks like it's going to create a lower low. We need price to come finish below here. But as of right now, we're still over the EMAs. MAs on 30-minute. Oh, sorry. I'm looking at the wrong screen again. So yeah, we're over the EMAs. We're over the EMAs on 30-minute too. So like the buy might be the move. I'm looking for the sell, but the buy is what my eyes are seeing visually, like in real time. So this could be a lower high. We got a double top. Just need to finish strong to the downside. If we could get a break of this trend line too. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Come on, I'm telling y'all, this sell's looking phenomenal. Even on NASDAQ too, man. Like, I don't know. I really don't feel like it's going to continue to buy today. It's been buying the last week. Just parabolic. We are making higher highs and higher lows. We need to make some sort of lower high if I'm going to get in. Some sort of lower high if I'm going to get in. Yes, that's what I'm talking about on the frickin', let's get it. Yes. Look at that. We got the lower high we wanted. Now, we create a lower low right here at this level. and the next lower high we create, I would enter for the sell. Look how strong. I like that a lot. Broke the trend line. Now I just need to wait for one more lower high. Damn, man. I feel like that bitch left me. But it's okay. I like to say that if you feel like the trade left you, it's about to set up for you. This is exactly what we wanted to see. The momentum shift to sellers. Damn. Oh my fucking goodness. Look at that shit. We need to see a lower high. Like, the lower high might be on the 32nd. No, not hold you. Not gonna hold you. And also be mindful, like, look at the 15 or 30. 30 minutes still above that maze. So this could be a fake out. Like, just because it's showing this does not mean it's going to keep dropping. A lot of times on a lower time frame, this is a fake out, and we might be better off catching a reversal back to the upside. Because worst comes to worst, say we catch the reversal to the upside. Regardless, we're going to be in profit. Now, when we hit break even, if price creates a lower high and continues to the downside, we get stopped out break even. But if the shit keeps running to the upside, you're good. So with that being said, I might look to catch this reversal to the upside. I don't know if I'm going to try to catch the sell. Let's look at the hour. What are we looking like on the hour? Hour candle closes in 14 minutes. We're waiting for some kind of reversal to the upside. Catch this back up. If we get stopped out on this trade, this is the last one for the day on this account. NASDAQ, calling it, got smoked. Trying to fucking sell. It looks like we're having a hard time pushing farther to the upside, so let's see. Take risk off. I really feel like we can get a bounce up here. Come on, push. Reversal, push. Need to finish strong. Continue to push. Yeah. Oh, sorry, wrong screen. Like that. Now keep going. Want this next 5-minute candle to finish above this bearish wick, this candle right here. On my wealth charts account, I think I'm calling it for the day on these. I'm down, as you see, minus 300 on the fund weight. I was looking for the sell. There's the lower high we were waiting for. That was the trade. And I didn't fucking take it. Whenever we can get above this red line and close, I'm gonna take the risk off. Need a higher low to create around this area. That's it on that account. risk off on that trade. We're up 230, 260, 280. It's pushing 3. It's a reversal trade on the 150K account, so I'm taking that. Fuck. Got that higher low right there. If we can get a higher low to form on the 5 minute, that'd be the best case scenario at this level right here. I don't want to risk that much, so do 10 contracts for 25 risk. one eval blue. Forex funded futures, 50K.